Welcome to Price.
Please register now. Please register now.
All right, so we got some VWAP um, time frame divergence. The time frames don't align right now, so that is a pretty good indication to be risk off. We also sold off really heavy all day, and this is like the first kind of bounce that we've had. So lots of reclaim potential, but just gotta be super careful with whatever I'm taking here. Because the other time frames may want to suck price down. A little support resistance area there at 76. That means we'll mark out 82s now that we've tested it once and failed. So we've got a bit of a range here. that is developing. I am still long biased for the most part. That pullback appeared to be pretty minor. Although if we fail highs here, that could be a different story. The volume also looks pretty low. We're currently at. Pretty lethargic, and last time it did this, it puked. So I do not necessarily want to catch anything here. If I do, the risk is going to have to be super tight. So let's see if we get another puke, maybe another retest of 76s, 77s. And then we can move from there, basically. Price is getting super tight in this range. An ATR candle up. According to my system, I'll bid the bottom of it, 81.75. It could be a good retest before the breakout. Looks like I might have missed it. I'll bid 82, but I do not want to chase this any further. Yeah, I'll go ahead and pull that. I think that move is over, but I'll count that as a good pulse check. So good little pull, or good little breakout here. Could suck back in before going. It looks like the last time we broke out, it was pretty lethargic. It was slow. And it chopped around for a bit. Got a pretty low volume flush here. Back into the prior range. I'll try the long 82. And I'll risk the bottom of the range here. But it looks like it's pulling back on me quite a bit. I'll take it off for a 2-tick loss if it'll let me. Yeah, I think that's good. Just because the fake out potential on this one is pretty substantial. Like, I was going for the reclaim of this ATR candle here. But it just didn't go quick. In fact, it never even touched the reclaim. So the fact that I got long and it never went a tick in my favor is a good idea to get out. So taking a 2-tick loss on it, I think, is a very good cut. This is kind of what we're dealing with here. Little fake out. We do have an ATR candle up. Might be worth bidding the bottom of it. I'll bid 81.50. I don't think I'm going to get filled on it. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pull that. So again, good pulse check. That would have been worth about a point if I had gotten filled on it. This is no longer really a support resistance area. If anything, it's kind of a channel. This is still pretty lethargic here. Not getting a whole lot of clarity. But it is still uptrending. ATR candle down. I'll go ahead and catch. Maybe I won't. A little bit of a quick entry there. Long 80.75. I'm going to pull that, I think, for 4 ticks. I didn't like the entry. Entry was just a little too quick. don't really have support until 76s, so let's see if we can get that 76 test first. ATR candle up, but they could fade it down. We haven't really touched 76s yet. We do have an invalidation of a order block on the 32nd. Sometimes they like to overshoot those. There's some volume hitting the tape here, so this is a pretty strong move. I definitely want to be on the right side of the V for something like this. So let's see if we can get it. There's the test of 76s. Volume's dying off a little bit. There's one last spike down. I'm not overshooting, so I think I'm going to be hands off on longs, just because we now have violated that support resistance, and there is decent volume on this down move. We're also below the bottom SMA, so I'm hands off on longs. I do not want to be long below that bottom SMA. Excuse me. At least on an execution level, I don't. That's for sure. This does look like a sustained move as well. I will try selling 72.25 here for the pullback. Lots of reclaim risk, but I think it could be good for a quick continuation scalp. I am pretty comfortable with this down move. I think it's got some legs. Getting a little too jumpy. I'm gonna pull that. Let's say I kept it open and I just got filled at 72. We'll count it as a pulse check. I think it would have been working for me. I probably would have been able to get a point out of it. I'm not upset with that pull at all. I think it just got a little too jumpy, and it's kind of basing here. When a move starts to base like that after a strong move, the potential for reversal goes up. It doesn't mean it will. In fact, the odds are it's going to continue, but the chances of it reversing goes up just a little bit. Enough for me to be hesitant. Enough for me to not want to trade it. So let's continue watching for the time being. There is another support resistance here at 69s, which we have just tested. Looks like buyers are trying to step in here, but whether or not they'll be successful remains to be seen. I'm going to bid 71.50 on the ATR candle. I'll chase it to 72. But I don't really want to chase it much further than that. This does have a shakeout potential. I'll bid 72.25. But I don't think I'm going to get filled. That's all right. We'll try the 72.50. If it puts in a new ATR candle, I will bid higher. And it looks like it wants to. I'll bid 73.75. Maybe 74, top of the last ATR candle. risk 72s because I do not want to see it. I do not want to see it puke through there because that would be into the reclaim. The play being here that we put in a very strong move on high buy volume, and that my idea is that that is going to act as support for this move up, potential move up. There's a lot of reclaim to the upside. So let's see if we take it back. Filled 74. Had a pretty decent move in my favor here. I might be eyeing 76s, the break of the prior range. I'll take it off at 76.50 if it'll give it to me, and I got it. Let's see where we at today. So we're at $50 currently. And I am okay with that. So I will sit here and watch. I might continue to play this uptrend if it gives good signs of continuation. Another ATR candle. I'm going to try the long 74.25. I'm going to take it off for one tick loss just because it's not quite going as fast as I want it to. The downside risk is substantial, so that was a good loss right there. A couple reasons why I wasn't willing to hold that one longer than I did. We have this support resistance level at 76 that I've been talking about a lot. It's a pretty important level right now. That we came down or we came up and tested. So we could be bouncing off of it. We could be stuck in a prior range right now. So the fact that we bounced off 76s and that we have pretty substantial downside reclaim risk just meant that a try two there would have to be super tight, super tight risk. ATR candle down on low volume, but now we're below the 50 SMA, and it almost looks like acceptance into the reclaim. I might be looking for a continuation short here. I'm going to try selling 73. Got the fill on 73, bit of an overshoot here. I want to see this reclaim quick. There's the quick reclaim. So I am pretty happy holding this through the reclaim below us, but let's just see what price action does, because it does not always work out that way. Some good movement down. I'm looking good for a continuation. I might be able to juice 70s out of this into the reclaim. Let's see what it does. And it looks like it's going to give it to me. Yeah, I'll take it off at 71, a little short of my target, and it might end up going there, but to be honest, I mean, that is a very good trade in my books. And I don't really want to review a million trades, so I'm going to call it there. Got no problem with that little session, so 70s would have ended up hitting, but that's okay. I'm very content with the target that I took. So I will cut it there.